Got a sink drain pipe clogged with grease buildup that's driving you nuts? Here's how to fix that mess without calling a plumber right away. So, first off, don't just pour cold water down the drain thinking it'll help. Grease solidifies when it cools, making the clog worse. Grab a good kitchen degreaser or even some baking soda and vinegar if you want to keep it natural. Pour the degreaser down the drain and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to break up the grease. After it's had time to work, flush the drain with really hot water, but not boiling, because that might damage some pipes. Repeat this process a couple of times if the clog is stubborn. Another trick is regularly running hot water through your sink after washing greasy dishes to keep buildup from happening. Also, avoid pouring oils or fatty food scraps down the drain in the first place. Use a container to throw them away instead. If you want to be extra safe, get a mesh strainer for your drain to catch bits before they cause trouble. One of the biggest mistakes people make with grease clogs is ignoring the problem until it's too late, which makes the blockage way harder to clear. The fix? Deal with minor buildup regularly so it never gets out of hand. Another common issue is using harsh chemical drain cleaners that might hurt your pipes or the environment. Instead, stick with safer degreasers or natural options like baking soda and vinegar. Lastly, some folks flush their drains with cold water right after greasy cooking sessions, which just makes grease harden and stick inside pipes. The easy fix is always flushing with hot water afterward to keep things flowing smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place where homeowners can find trusted local contractors for any home repair, like clearing stubborn drain clogs. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real jobs in their area so they can keep busy doing what they do best.